Alright, hey guys, so yesterday we went to a friend's house with our 1025R to help him move some dirt, and he happened to have a mini excavator that he let me put some fence posts in the ground, so it was really fun to use, and we're going to show you some clips of us using it. Hey guys, welcome to the Bruton Tractors YouTube channel, and today I'm on a mini excavator for the first time ever, and I am smoothing out this path behind me, attempting to, because this is my first time running one. But it's really fun so far, so we're going to show you what I can do with it.
Alright, I'm going to have the hose in, so blow your tractor there. There you go.
I'm doing video.
Remember, I'm like the favorite hook you've ever played.
I'll take it. Whatever's over here.
Know what you're doing?
Any of those are good. Any of them. This is Spencer's first time on a mini excavator.
Try it again. Spin. Uncurl the boat. Now here. Saw you? Oh. Uncurl your butt. There you go. That's fine. Uncurl. Right hand. Make sure that moves up so you don't hit that meter back. There you go. You're good. I'm on your blind side, so you have to be careful, man. Just like a while ago.
Does he need to uncurl it a little bit or curl it in?
There you go. Uncurl some more. Bring your teeth. Right hand. Got it. Good. Got it. Alright, you gotta bring it to me. Bring it to me. Uncurl your bucket. The other, there you go. Right on. Straight down. Wow. That's good. I know they're little goats, but they ain't that short.
You putting goats in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is just the first one.
It's the first one?
Yes, I still got 30 acres.
So we're just going right around this little patch of woods here?
I'm just doing this for
Goats
now.
clear all that out.
And then I'm going out behind Susie's, back down to the farm. I'm going to leave the cornfield, go right around the edge of the woods.
That's awesome. You like that?
Right.
That's fun? You're not moving a whole lot. Hey, you're not moving a whole lot. You're not trying to. Okay.